Hello, my name is Jeongsuk, and I'm a research professor at Gongju National University in South Korea. I'm here to discuss the research my team and I conduct on the mediating role of reading anxiety in the relationship between reading ability and the academic achievement in elementary school students. For this study, we focused on elementary school students selected from the entire region based on teachers' recommendations. Let's start. Why did I choose this topic? Learning to read is a crucial but often challenging academic task for students. For reading skills are considered a hindrance to academic achievement. Despite the recognition of reading's complexity, reader attention has been given to the role of negative emotions in reading skills development. So the problem statement of this study was that poor reading skills are perceived as a threat to academic achievement. There is a link between emotions and academic success. However, research on the specific relationship between reading skills, reading anxiety, and academic achievement in elementary school students is limited. In this point, we should double check who are considered as poor readers. According to the simple view of reading theory, reading involves two main skills. One is word recognition, and one is comprehension. So individuals or students may struggle with reading due to challenges in word recognition, comprehension, or a combination of both. This quadrant chart shows the simple view of reading theory, and this chart illustrates the importance of word recognition and comprehension. So, for example, typical reading ability means good word recognition process plus language comprehension process. So they interact each other, and this word recognition and comprehension is important and critical for reading. So poor readers often face lower academic achievement and increased anxiety, including reading anxiety, which may contribute to an ongoing cycle of underperformance in academics. Reading, the reading anxiety is a specific type of situational anxiety experienced by poor readers. According to American Psychiatric Association, it is distinct from general anxiety, as it is specifically related to their struggles with reading. This type of anxiety is unique to individuals with poor reading skills and is separate from general anxiety. Children with reading anxiety, they experience negative emotions when faced with the reading tasks. This leads to feelings of apprehension and avoidance of such a situation. This emotional response can range from low motivation to lead to actively avoiding reading altogether. So the connection between reading anxiety and reading ability is likely to be bidirectional, with where poor reading skills lead to anxiety, and anxiety in return hinders reading progress. This could result in detrimental cycle, with poor reading skills causing anxiety, leading to avoidance and reduced practice, thus perpetuating feelings of failures and increasing in anxiety. So the hypothesis of this study is that reading anxiety along with reading skills is likely to influence academic achievement. Additionally, it is expected that reading anxiety will mediate the relationship between reading skills and academic achievement. Such as these studies examine reading anxiety in elementary school students to investigate whether associations between reading skills and academic achievement is mediated by reading anxiety. The participants of the study were elementary school students from an entire province in South Korea. The total number of students were 242, and 49% of girls, grade 2 to grade 6, and the average age was about 10 years old. They were assessed on several kinds of survey or just tests. First, they assessed on their reading skills, including decoding, orthographic knowledge, and reading comprehension, as well as their levels of anxiety related to reading. And general trait anxiety separately, we just assessed, and their self-reported reading practice at home. Home literacy environment, kind of. Academic achievement was assessed by their homeroom teachers. This chart showed that the reading anxiety total scores ranging from 30 to 150 based on the results of the study. Among the students in this study, the majority of them, 66 students, or 27% scored in the 80 to 90 range for reading anxiety. The next highest group was in the 70 to 80 range, with 28 students. Additionally, surprisingly, 48 students, or 20%, scored above 100 for reading anxiety. Additionally, we identified, as the previous studies found, two types of reading anxiety: social and non-social reading anxiety. Social reading anxiety involves feelings worried when having to read aloud in front of others due to embarrassment. For example, a child said, I feel worried when I have to read aloud in front of people because it's embarrassing. While non-social reading anxiety involves concerns about future job prospects, such as being affected by reading abilities. For example, university students say, I worry I will not get a good job in the future because of my reading ability. This descriptive statistic presents the study's findings and indicating that these two main findings of this study. Reading anxiety, we can see here the upper figure. Reading anxiety serves as a mediator between reading ability and academic achievement. However, lower figures, there's no significant relationship observed between reading practice at home and reading anxiety. Furthermore, the study revealed that social reading anxiety is significantly more influenced by reading ability compared to non-social reading anxiety. So we did learn from this study. Firstly, the study identified two distinct types of reading anxiety, social and non-social anxiety, which were separated from trait anxiety. It also revealed a negative relationship between reading ability and reading anxiety, and showed that reading anxiety was correlated with academic achievement and acted as a mediator between reading ability and academic achievement. Secondly, regarding academic achievement, our findings indicate that lower comprehension was associated with lower academic performance, which aligns with many previous studies. This highlights the significance of reading comprehension as a critical factor for academic success. On the other hand, basic word reading skills, for example, phonological and orthographic process skills, showed no significant correlations with academic achievement. Last but not least, poor comprehension was found to be linked with a higher level of non-social reading anxiety and lower academic achievement. However, it did not show any significant relationship with social reading anxiety. So this study, which focused on reading anxiety in elementary school students with poor reading skills, suggests we needed to, further research to understand the potential impact of reading anxiety on elementary students beyond academic achievement. So what will I do next? In the future, research should be conducted not only with elementary school students, but also with secondary school students, university students, or adults. It is necessary to examine how research findings may vary as students advance to higher levels of education. Also, there is a need for qualitative research on reading anxiety. For example, interview students with reading problem or reading difficulties, or the students that have reading anxiety. Okay. I enjoy talking to you today, and I certainly welcome your questions. Thank you.